Did you know that giving organic growth boosters can help your chicken gain more weight? In this video, you will learn which organic growth boosters you should feed to your chicken. 5 common organic growth boosters for chicken and poultry in general. Almost all poultry farmers aim to get maximum profits from their birds. The profit a farmer would get on a chicken lies mainly in the body weight. The higher the body weight of a bird, the higher the price it will command. This will work for various classes of poultry bird, which includes broiler, local chicken, turkey, quail, and goose. At number 1. Cayenne pepper or hot red pepper. It is one of the readily available natural or organic growth promoters. When added to the diet of chickens or other poultry birds, it increases appetite, hence increasing feed consumption or metabolism. Cayenne pepper is also known to kill gastrointestinal worms, and it is effective for the treatment of coccidiosis. Scientific studies have shown that when it is added at a rate of between 0.5 to 1 gram for every 100 grams of broiler feed, it works great in boosting the body weight of broilers. At number 2. Garlic. An onion family member, garlic is a vegetable sometimes classified as a spice that helps in boosting the immune system, fight viral and bacterial diseases, improve egg production, as well as boost growth. Research has shown that garlic powder, when added at a rate of 2 to 3 grams per 1 kilogram of broiler feed, results in higher growth performance. At number 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that is highly rich in curcumin, a chemical that works as an anticoccidial, antibacterial, antioxidants, and anti-inflammation. Turmeric's potency as a natural growth promoter has been researched by many scholars, and the results were positive and impressive. Turmeric powder, when added at a rate of 0.75% of broiler feed, results in improved growth performance and feed conversion ratio. At number 4. Ginger. Ginger is another natural growth promoter that can be used as an alternative for artificial poultry growth promoters. Adding ginger in the diet of broilers shows a strong stimulating effect on the immune and digestive systems of the birds. Hence, ginger can be used as an immune response booster and as an appetite booster. Scientific studies have shown adding ginger at a rate of 1% of broiler chickens results to a significantly higher body weight gain. At number 5. Thyme. Thyme is not only for culinary purposes, it can also be used for boosting the growth of chickens, just like ginger, turmeric, cayenne pepper, and garlic. The effectiveness of the use of thyme as a growth promoter has been proven by researchers. Dried thyme powder added at a rate of 1 gram per 100 kilograms results in higher body weight gain. I hope this video was educative to you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more video like this.